Well, Asante Kotoko doctors are confirmed say Richmond Lamptey a fit, but information can crab actually. Information being about Super 24 TV, the ABBI they bro with ya Richmond Lamptey and in the last Kotoko games, they say a couple 10 games Kotoko you know, but doctors finally declare say or a fitter gamer a Kotoko anymore but quite unfortunately player no air cancel for player not still complaining still now of Philippines ewo ne redeem inti Kotoko against Great Olympics game at Ebaso, Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex, Ashanti Mantem Hano, one Hana Richmond Lamptey, and me and Moboni. Richmond Lamptey has been out for some time now. No, and no share gym work asia na or recuperate kakra. So it was anticipatedly say Enka Kotoko against Great Olympics in the year. Garichi ebeba now our stage come back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko but the Keka Konede from baby I'm here especially me who is a Richmond ebeba back about for crowd the Omasha say ka say Richmond abon the last game for Kotoko enya dia 3 games okay obetimi abebu but me dey say be me who is because after this particular game Kotoko beko Real Tamale United that final game no abaso Baba Yara Sports Stadium against Bofo Kwatano na for now this weekend as a training ya monitor you who say Richmond akoye training with the team that's the training together with the team you who be still na gym work and ogusu ayere or ye into gym work na or ye no and say no doctors ne year assessment guys will beat me abobo but boy no say and as a senior man say nya dia obit me of Philippines kakra into still na gym work no to aso kakra elsewhere in the contract once and some day Richmond Lamptey player about from baby amity magazine at the end of the season one contract amount for the ban or because who say and I say on any call for any management on any agent for no who say wabo league we ache and see it's about time to move on and sir obe moving on now me who say Kotoko also mo na twi bebrebe also asumdue awie na oko bobo elsewhere oko pe outside nibi players no colleagues or mabobo outside they be our outside experience actually no well opeso ko experience bi no nyeska enya big deal but ni nyina no gina ne so ene Kotoko awie no ene be kire because well Richmond Lamptey was serve and I don't want a situation say obeko onko no ebekwa akoye twentan so obekwa ana Kotoko bless na maneko so no so feel so bit masa abo ama Kotoko no extend ni abo because Asante Kotoko next season ni de afi na club no emu be ye de pa